Welcome to Elevate Essence. Overcoming fear and building courage. Fear. It's something we all experience, a silent companion that often holds us back. But what if I told you that fear isn't your enemy, it's your guide? Today, we'll uncover the path to overcoming fear and building unshakable courage. Understanding fear. Fear is a natural emotion, a signal that you're stepping outside your comfort zone. It's not there to stop you. It's there to push you forward. The first step to overcoming fear is understanding it. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of and why? Often, the root of fear lies in the unknown. Transforming fear into courage. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's acting despite it. Start small. Take one step toward the thing that scares you. Each time you face your fear, no matter how small, you grow stronger. Courage is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Tools to build courage. Here are 3 powerful tools to help you build courage. 1. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself successfully overcoming the challenge. Feel the joy and pride of achievement. 2. Positive affirmations. Remind yourself daily, I am capable, I am brave, I am unstoppable. 3. Take action. Courage is built through action. Even the smallest step forward is a victory. Remember, fear is not a wall, it's a stepping stone. Embrace it, face it, and let it guide you toward growth. You have the strength within you to overcome anything. Start today, start now. Build your courage and watch your life transform. If this message resonated with you, like this video, subscribe to Elevate Essence, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we'll rise above fear and elevate to our fullest potential.